Hi, welcome to kickboxing session with me, Mustafa Zaveri. I will now show you how to do a mixed combination of kicking and punching. This is a mixed combination of punches and kicking and kicks. So what you do here is basically, and this is what kickboxing builds up to, is a combination of your punching and kicking. So if I'm here with my opponent, you can move around a little, move a little. I'm here, move. I'm attacking, I'm throwing a thigh kick, punching, throwing a roundhouse to the face, pushing, roundhouse to the face, jab, move, hit, keep the pressure on, thigh kick, body kick, face, low, high, mixing it up, jump in, push, roundhouse, jump in, roundhouse, move, land, throw a jab, throw an elbow, move, jump in, push kick, throw an elbow, punch, uppercut, hook, mixing it up, thigh kick, body, push, side push, elbow, uppercut. So all the techniques that we've learned one by one, you employ them together, pack them in and make them flow and mix it up and create a combination of kicks and punches which you can use in a fight. So again, as I showed, it can be anything. Where you find an opening, you throw a kick. Find an opening, I'm going for the face, blocking, throw to the thigh. Move in, punch, hook to the body, up, kick. Keep the pressure on. Again, you'll have to know how much to mix it up, and again, not waste your energy in one go. You can't just go 30 seconds all out, because in case your opponent ends up blocking everything, then basically you are in trouble, because then he can use his conserved energy back onto you. So mix it up, kicks, punches, mix it up. Don't be predictable. You do one kick, you don't want to get predictable, throw something else, surprise your opponent, throw a punch, throw an elbow, look for openings and keep the pressure on. That's a mixed combination, and in the end, basically all of kickboxing in a ring or just for fitness, everything that you know, you're mixing it up, punches, kicks all into one, and that is kickboxing. It's just a mixed combination of punches and kicks.